Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the applications of Unix operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Applications of Unix operating system. Unix operating system with its various flavors such as Linux has found a wide-ranging applications in different domains. Here are some common applications of Unix. Number 1, servers. Unix is extensively used as server operating system. It powers web servers, file servers, database servers, mail servers, and other types of servers due to its stability, security features, and scalability. Number 2, high performance computing or its PC. Unix widely utilized in its PC environments for scientific research, simulations, and data analysis. It provides efficient resource management, parallel processing capabilities, and compatibility with a wide range of scientific software. Number 3, networking. Unix-based systems are often deployed as network operating systems. They enable networking functionalities such as routing, firewalling, network monitoring, and remote access, making them ideal for routers, switches, and network appliances. Number 4, workstations. Unix workstations are popular among software developers, researchers, and engineers. They provide a robust development environment, tools for programming and debugging, and support for various programming languages. Number 5, embedded systems. Unix variants like Linux are widely used in embedded systems including smart devices, Internet of Things or IoT devices, routers, set-top boxes, and automotive systems. Their small footprint, flexibility, and open source nature make them well suited for these applications. Number 6, web development. Many web servers are powered by Unix-like systems like LAMP, Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, Perl, Python, Stack is a popular combination for hosting dynamic websites and web applications. Number 7, scientific research. Unix-based systems are prevalent in scientific research to their extensive support for scientific software, data analysis tools, and compatibility with research environments. They are used in fields like physics, biology, chemistry, astronomy, and more. Number 8, cloud computing. Unix systems serve as the foundation for many cloud computing platforms, including infrastructure as a service and platform as a service providers. These platforms rely on Unix stability, security, and scalability to offer their services. Number 9, security. Unix systems have a long-standing reputation for their security features and access control mechanisms. They are often used in security-sensitive environments like banks, government agencies, and military organizations. And lastly, education. Unix-like systems are widely used in educational institutions to teach computer science, programming, and system administration. The open source nature of Unix allows students to explore and learn the inner working of the operating system. These are just a few examples of many applications of Unix. Its versatility, stability, and flexibility have contributed to its widespread adoption across various industries and domains. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the applications of Unix operating system. Thank you so much for watching and support to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.